Hey everybody, it's me Natalie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the video of today, I'm gonna show you the Museum of Science. But I'm really sorry because I wasn't able to film that much like the last month because I had a lot of exams and that's why. So yeah, we're back to our vlogs. Let's go. So here's the entrance from here, and here is it. Let's go inside and see what's in here. Came last year, but I don't remember that much of what was inside, but I will show you everything. So guys, the entrance is for free. You don't have to pay anything. And here's like the first room. So guys, as you can see, there's not that much of things in the first floor, so we're going up to see like more interesting things that we can do. Like for example, like I don't know, something about physics, I think so, like I don't know. So we're going up. Here's my outfit. Okay, let's go. It's the best part of the museum. I will show you everything. And then we have like soccer game and maybe like to see movies, I don't know. Whoa. It's actually cool. We'll see here. So guys, as you can see, there's not that much people. Like there's few people. I don't know why, but honestly, like you can't finish the museum in maybe half an hour, or maybe like an hour as maximum. But more than this, no. Like we've been here for maybe half an hour. Yeah, I think so. And we finished everything. And now I'm on this chair, and I'm just like, oh my god, I got dizzy. Oh yeah. So yeah, I think that's everything about it. Let's see this one. Oh, that's actually kind of cool, isn't it? Let's try the other side. Oh, here, maybe here. What's this? Oh, cool. Let's move on. Here? Oh, nothing. This one? Oh. Ah, look, it's over there. Ah, here's me. Look guys, this is a mirror. Like it's not that long, you know, it's just like from here to there, but they have a mirror, so it feels like it's longer. And look, this one is like the best one, I think. So guys, I think that was everything about today's vlog. I would try to film as many videos as possible, but I'm not sure about it. But yeah, I would try. And see you soon in the next video. Hope you like it. And if you enjoy it, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.